Here you got the reversible watch. This is how it looks on one side, and this is the other side. I'm into traveling lights. I thought I should have something like this. You don't have to carry two watches, weigh you down. I didn't see any, say, perfect solution, but in cases like this with other designs, I say, okay, let's do what you can now and see how it turns out. I was in Southeast Asia, where you can buy thousands of different watches for about $4. I found this one with that strap, which I thought could do the evening wear. It's a nice design. I like the case, it's as wide as the strap. And then I found this one, and then I mounted it on this one strap. And so here we are then, day wear, and the back looks like this then, and then we switch them around for the, see, something like this, the evening wear. There are watches, they're called Reverso, but then they only switch the case. Here have another case for night and another for day wear. And the Reverso cost about 4,000 US. This one, as you understand, came out much cheaper.